1995 Pontiac Firebird Coupe. Here at Unique Specialty and Classics. As you can see, this one's a T-top car. 5.7 liter V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. I will point out on the hood and around this car there is some areas where the paint shows its age, missing the clear some there. May come up with some touch-up spots here or there. This is one of those cars, if you want to get into a fun sports car, not break the bank, drive it, enjoy it, maybe take it to the next level with a little bit of paint work or TLC, what have you. That's the type of car you're looking at right here. Get in, drive it, go, have some fun. Check out all the still pictures. You can be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on an aftermarket wheel. Radial tires. Technician did note those are date coded 2022 and 2023, and if you look in the still pictures, looks like quite a bit of tread life left on those. Let's take a look down this passenger side, and you can see the passenger side is really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Red exterior, gray cloth interior, bucket seats, center console. Does have an aftermarket stereo system, as you can see the head unit there. I did take the T-tops out for the video. Gaskets, nice and pliable. Not aged or cracking. And if you check the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the pictures with the T-tops in and the T-tops out also. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Some notes from the technician that looked at this one. Does have new outer tie rod ends. Alignment was also done at that time. Brakes straight. Brakes are 55% in the front. New pads in the rear. So it drove out nice. And again, AC blows cold, heater blows hot. Let's check out this driver's side. If you like these Firebirds, Trans Ams, formulas, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, vehicles in them are available to purchase. Little spot of clear went off there. And you can purchase them online or obviously right off our showroom floor if you make see us in person. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors over here in the driver's side door panel. Fabric on the seats, nice condition. Couple little small wear spots, one right there. I think there was one over on the passenger side, but pretty minute. Actual mile car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Odometer is going to read 108,644. And again, that's clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, with the aftermarket head unit for the stereo. Steering wheel controls for the stereo will be in op. Tilt column, cruise control. So no service engine soon, anything like that. Check engine lights on. There's the exact miles, 108,644. TAC is working. Fuel gauge, battery, oil pressure, and temp gauge, and that was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to be up at all. Top of the dash. Nice shape. Let's see, let's go ahead and audio. Did have the radio working earlier. I've not played around one with this one that much. So source to tuner. And that should be a station that comes in right there. It's a nice sounding stereo in it. And if you wanted to fold that back up while you're driving down the road, listen to music or what have you, you can do that. And then so you don't have to have that screen out all the time. Of course, the flip-up headlights, check those out. Working as they should. Slip around to the back so you knew this run. Power antenna works, as you can also see. It's a little rumble coming out of that V8. Again, 5.7 liter, 350 cubic inches. I think I can get this hood one-handed here. There we go. Hood liner. Hood struts working as they should. There it is, that V8 power. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Optima battery. $1995 Pontiac Firebird Formula Coupe, T-top car, clean Carfax, 3 owner. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1995 Pontiac Firebird Formula. This is a 6-speed manual. We have a Kenwood stereo touchscreen right here. That is working well. Turn signal's also working. Very responsive throttle, nice feeling clutch in this car. I always forget how quick these cars actually are. Just running real top performance right now. It is almost a quarter of the way up the temperature gauge. The oil pressure is showing about 43 psi. Battery's charging about 14 volts, and the fuel tank shows completely full in the gauge. Tachometer and speedometer working. Comfortable cloth bucket seats in this car. They do have T-tops over my head. What was the last year for T-tops? Was this close to it? 1995? Looking good in kind of the charcoal color interior against that red exterior paint. Stereo controls on the steering wheel. Got a little bit of traffic. Brakes feel good. Just want to go deep into the throttle and hit that torque curve. This corner is nice and flat. Just a little bit of lean in the corners as we expected. Cruise control functioning as it should. Very fun performance car from Pontiac. 1995 Firebird formula. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.